This is the Hammer Energy, a rugged phone you've probably never heard of. Well, it is made by a Polish producer of budget smartphones. As usual, I will go through the main features and pros and cons of this device. Also, I'm giving one phone away to you guys. Make sure to watch an entire video to learn how you can enter the giveaway and get this phone for free. Just before we start, pricing and availability is not yet announced, as this is a brand new model. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a headphone jack adapter. Once you pick the phone up, it's obvious that it can take a beating thanks to rugged design. In fact, the phone is not only water and dust resistant thanks to IP68 rating, but it is also IK07 certified, meaning it can survive a 5 joule impact. In other words, you can beat this phone with a hammer that weighs 1.7 kilograms from the height of about 30 centimeters, and the device should survive. You can also add a tempered glass screen protector for maximum ruggedness. The overall build quality is excellent. The phone is made of shock-resistant rubber and we have nice metal accents on the back. The buttons are really nice and tactile too. There is also a dedicated camera launch and shutter key, but you can remap this button to open up a different app. The display may not have the highest resolution, but it is plenty sharp for everyday use. Also, it's really bright, so it's easily visible outdoors. On the back we have a 13 megapixels camera, and on the front there is a 5 megapixel shooter. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery that allows you to use the phone for a long time. My record screen on time was almost 17 hours, which is a great result. You can also charge the device in just about 2.5 hours with a supply charger, and you can use the phone as a power bank to charge other devices. The fingerprint scanner is fairly accurate, but the display could turn on faster after unlocking. A few flaws of the device are that there is no headphone jack, and the phone is compatible only with longer USB Type-C connectors. Other key features include a notification LED light, USB Type-C port that is covered with a flap, a hybrid dual SIM card slot, and last but not least, a loudspeaker that produces decent sound for a budget device. Here is a quick audio sample. The phone runs on a quad-core MediaTek processor, which is definitely not the fastest out there. Thus, the gaming performance is kind of mediocre. You may be able to play 3D games only on low graphics settings, otherwise you should expect to see quite a lot of skipped frames and stutter. I love that the phone runs on pure Android 8.1 out of the box. There are just a few added features, but overall, you get stock Android experience. I've seen minor hiccups after running multiple apps at the same time, but in general, the overall performance of the UI is pretty good for a budget device. The overall image quality is surprisingly good for a budget rugged phone. Well, the camera is not always consistent, but you can take nice looking images even on a cloudy day. As expected, low light image quality could be better. Selfie image quality is quite good as the pictures have a decent amount of detail. 1080p video quality is kind of decent, and same can be said about the selfie video quality. In terms of connectivity, I had no issues with neither call quality nor signal reception, and other connectivity options work just fine. Unfortunately, the phone does not have a gyroscope sensor, but the good thing is that there is NFC connectivity option. Overall, the Hammer Energy is a phone that can definitely take a beating and survive quite a few drops. The phone offers good build quality, decent display, camera can take nice pictures in good light, the phone runs on stock Android, and battery life is great. The main shortcoming of this phone is that the gaming performance is just mediocre. The main advantage of the Hammer Energy over the Chinese budget rugged phones is that it is made by the European manufacturer, meaning that you get the EU warranty and the support. Now the giveaway time. The rules are very simple. This giveaway is designed for the true Techline fans who actually watch my videos. Therefore, if you want to win a brand new Hammer Energy phone, you just need to be a subscriber of the channel, have the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of my videos, and leave a comment down below this video saying which feature of the Hammer Energy do you like the most. This giveaway is international, it will run for 14 days, and the winner will be picked up randomly by Hammer. Good luck to everyone, follow me on social media for the latest updates. It was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.